iPhone XS Review. This is the iPhone XS, pronounced 10s, not XS as you might think. It looks identical to last year's iPhone X, and you might think that not a lot has changed, but it's inside where the differences lie. This is a weird situation for a review. Usually, when looking at an S variant of an iPhone, we're asking the question of whether it's better than the now cheaper model from the previous year. In 2018, however, Apple has made the choice to discontinue the iPhone X, so while we can draw comparisons, they won't help you make an informed choice, unless you can still pick one up while stocks last. Update: we've added a competition section to this review, highlighting the iPhone XS's key rivals. Plus, iOS 12.1.3 has landed on the phone, and some stores are offering it at a reduced price, all of which we've detailed in the review. If you want the best iPhone Apple has created, the iPhone XS is surely it, but do the tweaks inside really justify the price tag, and are they enough to fend off the ever-improving competition? There's also the looming specter of the iPhone XR. It's a more affordable version in many ways compared to the iPhone XS, but until we can test that in the future, it's due out in October, it's hard for us to say whether the iPhone XS is the best Apple handset for you. iPhone XS price and release date. Starts at $999/$999/$01,629. Top model costs $1,349/$1,349/$02,199. In terms of the price, the good-ish news is that it hasn't risen over last year's incredibly expensive iPhone X, with the 64GB iPhone XS price coming in at $999/$999/$01,629.